Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can merge your popcorn serving cart so it will be easier for you guys to cook the festival foods in Heartopia. So what you're going to want to do is you are going to go to build mode, and here is where this is just a tutorial when you're building on PC, by the way. You can do it on mobile, but it's like a little bit different. um you still press the same buttons, but here just go to the build mode. Okay, so place tiles on the floor so you'll know where to place the serving cart later. And then you're going to go to the advanced build mode like so. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place this popcorn serving cart out of bounds. Press this button really long and press this really fast. So drag it and then press. And then as you can see, it's not going to move, it's going to stay here. Make sure the placement of the serving cart is where you want it before you place it out of bounds. Then you're going to want to select this one and make sure the position is on. And I'm just going to place it like here, for instance. And then for this one, I'm also going to place it here. And then when you go back and press complete, it's going to go back to its place and it's going to be connected to the rest of the serving carts, as you can see now. If you want it closer, you can. I think I made it to backwards here. I should place it like a little bit to the front, the middle one. But it still works and you can cook your foods easier, as you can see, because they are very close to each other. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!